today we talk about how can you disable head balances on your Olymp trade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above here. You click here on this photo in this sign. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on platform. Click here on platform, so then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to hidden balances here. Just clicking this sign or this color, clicking this sign that like you see color is gone. That's mean hidden balance is disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.